Toyota MMT 6-speed transmission, semi-automatic. Calibration of the gearbox and clutch by scanner. The scanner recognizes the vehicle by himself. For example, in new Aigo it's not doing, so you need to choose your model in here, then the engine, and then this is the year of the car, and this with smart or without smart key. Okay. Now I'm going to multi-mode. No codes. Very good. If no codes, I can do calibration. Going to utility. Also we have this option, air bleeding, but it's not working good. Much more better to do bleeding air by your hands. Okay, so I'm going to part exchange. Next. And I'm choose everything. It's no matter what you choose. In any case, it will do full calibration. So I will choose all of them. Next. Now he say turn ignition off. Okay, look at this. I'm turned ignition off. Now the calibration will do not the scanner. The calibration will do Gearbox computer. Now the scanner no matter. Look at this. Look. It say okay, like the calibration, it's going now learning. But I not turned on the ignition. You see? Because it's no matter. It's just like guide you. But we don't need it anymore. Yeah. Not the scanner do calibration. If you do calibration or scanner, always wire, always text stream, always outtail, always launch, it's no matter. The computer just give the command to Gearbox ECU, please do calibration. You see, it's something happens, but really, let's wait. Next, he say okay, next, okay. Okay, so as what happens now? After I will turn on ignition, the Gearbox computer will start do calibration, not the scanner. Okay, and what it will do? First step, it will pushing the clutch in 6-speed transmission. It will do in and push the clutch, and then it will start engage the gears. And after that all gears will engage, we will have neutral on dash. As let's go. I'm turn on ignition, it will no neutral. No neutral. Up. The Gearbox computer engaged all gears and now we have neutral. It say that the gearbox is calibrated, but only gearbox and not clutch. Now we need to turn off ignition. Wait. Don't push the brake. Turn ignition on. I heard the noise. Clutch actuator did something. And when I will start the engine, the computer by clutch actuator will find the touch point of the clutch. And then calibration done. On this moment, the neutral will flashing. It means that it's looking for touch point of the clutch. As let's start it, okay? I'm pushing the brake and start the engine. That's all. He found it, the touch point of the clutch, and now calibration done. All working. If you have some problem with the gearbox or with the clutch, some of this moment will know done. For example, will know neutral. It means or you have clutch actuator problem or you have gearbox problem. Need to find it. Or if you have neutral, you start the engine and neutral flashing, it means that it cannot do calibration for clutch. He can't find the touch point of the clutch. Also need to understand why it happens. That's all.